How to make money with no investment, 5 proven methods. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Olya Tech here, and today we're diving deep into a topic I know a ton of you are interested in. Making money without any upfront investment. Let's be real, we've all been there. You want to start building wealth, but your bank account's looking a little lighter than you'd like. The good news is, you absolutely do not need a fat stack of cash to start generating income. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 incredibly powerful methods you can use to start earning money online, all with zero investment required. That's right, you can literally start these today from your couch with just your laptop and some hustle. Whether you're trying to crush some debt, save up for that dream vacation, or just create an extra stream of income, these methods are the real deal. We're talking about proven strategies that have worked for countless people, and they can work for you too. So buckle up, grab a notepad, and let's get this money. First up, we're tackling the world of freelancing. Now I know what you might be thinking. Graham, I don't have any crazy skills. How can I possibly freelance? Trust me, you have more to offer than you realize. Think about it. What are you naturally good at? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, a wordsmith with writing, or maybe you have a knack for editing videos. These are all highly sought after skills in the freelance world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are literally overflowing with clients looking for talented individuals just like you. And the best part is, you don't need years of experience to get started. Even if you're just starting out, you can find clients willing to pay for your services. Start by offering your services at a slightly lower rate to build up your portfolio and get some positive reviews under your belt. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your rates and attract higher paying clients. Remember, every freelancer starts somewhere, and the key is to just put yourself out there and start building your reputation. Don't be afraid to niche down and specialize in a specific area. This will make you stand out from the competition and attract clients who are specifically looking for your expertise. For example, instead of just being a virtual assistant, you could specialize in social media management for real estate agents. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and be your own boss. It's the ultimate side hustle that has the potential to become a full-time income stream if you're willing to put in the work. So take some time to identify your skills, create a compelling profile on a freelancing platform, and start pitching clients. You'll be amazed at the opportunities that come your way. Next up, we're diving into the world of info products, where you can literally package your knowledge and sell it for profit. Now, before you say, Graham, I'm not an expert in anything, hear me out. You don't need to be a world-renowned scholar to create a valuable info product. Think about the things you're passionate about, the skills you've acquired, or the knowledge you've gained through experience. Maybe you're a whiz at cooking delicious, healthy meals on a budget, or perhaps you've mastered the art of organizing your home like a pro. Whatever your area of expertise, there are people out there who are willing to pay to learn from you. Creating an info product is easier than you might think. You can write an ebook, create a video course, or even record a series of audio lessons. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Udemy make it incredibly easy to self-publish and sell your creations without any upfront costs. Think about it this way, you're essentially creating a passive income stream. You put in the work once to create the product, and it can continue to generate income for you over and over again. The key to success with info products is to choose a topic you're passionate about, and that solves a specific problem for your target audience. Conduct thorough research to identify what people are searching for and tailor your content to meet their needs. Once you've created your info product, don't be afraid to promote it. Share it on social media, reach out to potential customers, and consider running targeted ads to get the word out. Remember, the more value you provide and the more effectively you market your product, the more successful you'll be. So, tap into your inner expert and start sharing your knowledge with the world. Your bank account will thank you. Chapter 3. Affiliate Marketing, Making Money While You Sleep. Alright, let's talk about one of my favorite ways to make money online: affiliate marketing. Now this is where things get interesting because you literally get paid to recommend products and services you love. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program with a company like Amazon, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. Once you're approved, you get a unique affiliate link for each product you want to promote. Now, all you have to do is share your unique link with your audience. This could be on your blog, website, social media, or even through email marketing. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's completely performance-based. You don't get paid unless you make a sale, but the earning potential is unlimited. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine in your recommendations. Don't just promote any product that comes your way. Focus on products and services that you truly believe in, and that would be beneficial to your audience. Build trust with your audience by providing valuable content, honest reviews, and helpful comparisons. The more your audience trusts your recommendations, the more likely they are to make a purchase through your affiliate links. And remember, patience is key. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort to build up a steady stream of income. But once you find your groove and start seeing those commissions roll in, it's a truly rewarding feeling. Chapter 4. Content is king. Build your empire with YouTube, blogs, and social media. Now let's talk about the world of content creation. This is where you get to unleash your creativity, share your passions, and build a loyal following, all while making money in the process. Whether you're a natural in front of the camera, a wordsmith with a way with words, or a social media savant, there's a platform out there for you. We're talking about YouTube, blogs, Instagram, TikTok. The possibilities are endless. The best part? Starting a YouTube channel, launching a blog, or creating a social media account is completely free. All you need is your phone or laptop, an internet connection, and a whole lot of passion. Now I know what you might be thinking, Graham, how do I actually make money from this? Well, my friend, there are a few ways to monetize your content. On YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue once you hit a certain number of subscribers and watch hours. You can also partner with brands for sponsorships and promote products or services that align with your channel. With blogs, you can generate income through display advertising, affiliate marketing, remember that from earlier, and even by selling your own products or services. And even on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, influencers with large engaged followings can collaborate with brands for sponsored posts and shoutouts. The key to success with content creation is to be consistent, provide value to your audience, and engage with your followers. Find your niche, create high-quality content that people actually want to watch or read, and be patient. Building a loyal following takes time and effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. You're essentially building your own brand and creating a community around your passions. Plus, the earning potential is huge. Chapter 5. Get paid for your opinion easy money with online surveys. Finally, let's talk about a simple and easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time: online surveys and market research. Now, I'm not going to lie, this method won't make you rich overnight, but it's a great way to earn a little something extra while you're watching TV, waiting in line, or just have some downtime. There are tons of legitimate websites and apps out there that will actually pay you for your opinion. We're talking about platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and User Testing. These platforms connect businesses and organizations with consumers like you to gather valuable feedback on products, services, and experiences. They're essentially paying you for your insights. Signing up for these platforms is usually free and easy. You'll create a profile, answer some questions about your demographics and interests, and then start taking surveys that match your profile. The surveys typically cover a wide range of topics, from consumer products to political opinions to entertainment preferences. You'll earn points or cash for each survey you complete, and you can usually redeem your earnings for gift cards, PayPal cash, or even direct deposits to your bank account. While online surveys won't replace your full-time job, it's a great way to earn some extra spending money, pay off a small debt, or simply treat yourself to something nice. Plus, it's a fun and engaging way to share your thoughts and opinions on a variety of topics. So there you have it, 5 incredibly powerful ways to start making money online with zero investment required. We talked about freelancing, selling your knowledge, affiliate marketing, content creation, and even online surveys. Remember, the key to success with any of these methods is to take action, be consistent, and never give up. Building a successful online business or side hustle takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on making money, building wealth, and achieving financial freedom.